Long axis view. Probe marker dot toward animal's head. 11 o'clock. Short axis view. Probe marker toward 2 o'clock direction. Slightly angle the probe's tail and forward. Apical 4-chamber view. Probe marker toward 2 o'clock direction. .30-degree angle from horizontal. Beam direction from apex to base. Aortic arch view. Probe marker toward animal's head. .45-degree angle with beam directed from the animal's right sternal border. Pulmonary artery long axis view. Probe marker toward 11 o'clock direction. Obtain LV long axis view. Gently rotate probe rightward. Pulmonary artery short axis view. Probe marker toward 2 o'clock direction. Obtain LV short axis view. Slide probe slightly toward the head.